Have you ever found yourself captivated by the kind of voices you hear on commercials, audiobooks, or your favorite cartoon movies? Or you are wondering how these talented individuals are making money just by lending their voices? Well, today I'm going to expose you to all these hidden secrets. Now, number one thing you need to have at the back of your mind is that as far as you have a captivating voice, or you are good in overhyping something, or you are good in that storytelling, then there's something for everyone. I want to show you exactly how you can turn your voice to a cash vomiting machine. But before we dive deeper into all of this, I want to hear your thoughts about your favorite kind of voiceover work, and if you have done anyone, just let me know right in the comment section below. If you still want to learn more, also ask that question right in the comment section below. I'll definitely be there to answer to you. As a bonus to this video, I'll be sharing with you the art of voiceover and how you can start sounding like a pro. So without wasting much of our time, come on, let's dive in. I'll be starting off with the most common way of turning your voice to a cash vomiting machine, and that is what? Freelance. You can do this by offering your services as a voiceover artist. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Voice.com provides a vast opportunity for you to connect with clients who are actually looking for professional voiceover artists. Whether you love voicing commercial or explainer video or cartoon character, then there's space for everyone. Freelancing will allow you to showcase your versatility in any kind of category you want to fall in. Second on our list is audiobook. Let me tell you something. Audiobook is becoming a booming marketplace in the world today, and publishers are always looking for narrators, talented narrators. You can audition for audiobook projects on platforms like ACX or Findaway Voices. You can also approach authors or publishers directly. One thing you need to know is that narrating book allow you to immerse yourself in storytelling while you are making a lot of money. This is having fun and making money. How sweet can that be? Moving on to the third on our list, that is e-learning or training module. Are you ready to listen to that? With the rise of e-learning and online training, there's always demand for someone that will create that engaging voiceover, and you might be needed in this place. Educational institutions, e-learning platforms, and corporations are always on the lookout for a professional voiceover artist that's going to bring whatever they are trying to pass out to the world to life. So you might be the right person. If you are fascinated by the world of commercial, then you should work with ad agencies or advertising radio jingles. Ad agencies and radio stations and even newspaper, probably they want to publish anything and they want people to hear the voice through another media. They are always on the lookout for talented voiceover artists. You can lend your voice to captivating ad and catchy jingles. How beautiful can that be? Enjoying the jingles while you are earning a lot of money, making a lot of money through commercial, while you are also having fun just listening to yourself. Now move closer. Did you know that as the podcasting industry is improving and thriving, there are podcasters out there who are actually looking for someone that will be making that voicing of their intro or their sponsored messages? You can reach out directly to podcasters or join podcasting communities. You can be the voice behind a popular and a viral voiceover that the world will even be happy about. Won't you like to take advantage of that? But wait a minute. Don't get too carried away by the kind of things I'm saying. There are still many more ways for you to actually turn your voice into residual income. Many businesses need professional voice recording for their telephone system. This includes interactive voice response, also known as IVR prompt. And this can also include on-hold messages. You can approach local businesses or partner with telecommunication service provider to offer your service. Whichever you find yourself into, there's something I need you to understand, that it is a great way for you to actually be making money while also lending your voice to the corporate world. Moving on to the seventh money-making opportunity, we have gaming and animation. Are you ready to embark on this? If you are talented in creating unique character voices, then consider pursuing opportunity in videography or animation or some kind of cartoon, anything that has to do with gaming or cartoon industry. It will be perfect for you. Attend casting call, audition for roles, and also connect with gaming studios. These are going to boost your chances of getting this job. And speaking of voice actors, that leads us to the next on our list, which is documentary narration. Documentaries are powerful mediums for storytelling, and they always require for captivating narrator. And what I love most about this is the fact that you can bring a particular character to life and start making a lot of money, because once you bring a character that has not been in existence before, once you are the one that brought it to life, is a residual income. You are even made for life. Filmmakers, documentary video companies are always in need of voice-over artists that can actually convey the information that they have into an action, and they can also bring out emotion through their storytelling activities. Next up, if you are multilingual or have expertise in a specific language, then there's something for you. Consider offering voiceover services to localizations or dubbing projects. Movies, TV shows, or commercials always look for voice actors who can actually dub their content or advertisement into another language. Embrace the challenge of giving voices to characters in different languages and cultures. So tell me, if you are to start dubbing in different languages today, which language would you like to start with, or which language would you like to specialize in? Let me know that in the comment section below. Last but not the least, we have corporate presentations and videos. Many businesses and corporate companies need professional voiceovers who are good in presenting things so that you can actually present something to their clients and they can win projects and contracts. Some businesses also need it to boost their sales. So what are you waiting for? If you have that knowledge of actually presenting things, if you know how to present things, then this is the perfect slot for you. All you need to do is to approach a corporate client directly or collaborate with a video production agency to offer your service, your voice-over service. Now, before you rush off to start promoting your voice talent, there are certain things you need to put into consideration to avoid getting missed in the crowd and to be on top of your game. Proper breath controls allows for sustained delivery and avoid interruptions. Firstly, you need to focus on your breathing. Next up, work on your diction and pronunciation. Enunciate clearly, articulate your word, and also pay close attention to any local accent that might affect whatever you are saying. Another essential aspect of voiceover is mastering your vocal range and tone. You can practice tongue twisters and vocal warm-up to sharpen your articulation. Experiment with different pitches, discover your high and lows, and also discover your unique vocal qualities. This versatility will enable you to adapt with different projects and characters. Always remember that the tone you choose will significantly impact the kind of message you are passing to the public. While a serious and authoritative tone might work well for corporate narration, a warm and friendly tone might work well for commercials. Above all, practice made perfect, and perfect practice made perfection. So take the time to practice and find out your sweet spot. Relax, my friend, I'm not done with you. When performing voiceover, it is crucial to always connect with the story and the audience. Understand the emotions behind the script. This will elevate your emotions and the way you will act and the audience that you are facing. This connection will help you deliver a more authentic and compelling narration. Take the time to analyze the script. Also make sure you take note of every key point and visualize the story you are telling. By understanding the context and the desired impact, you can actually bring a new character to life. To create high quality voiceovers, investing in professional microphones or equipment is very essential. A good microphone, pop filter, and soundproofing can significantly increase the quality of your voiceover. By the end of the day, people will understand exactly what you are talking about, and it will make them feel entertained. You know what I mean? Entertained while being educated. Don't forget to find a quiet and well-controlled environment for your recordings. This is very essential. To crown it off, familiarize yourself with audio editing softwares to fine-tune your recording. Eliminate background noise, adjust volume level, and also add any effect that is necessary to polish your final product. There are many other potentials in mastering and making money from voiceovers, one of which is to start running a faceless YouTube channel. This is usually recommended for those who are camera shy. Meanwhile, if you are camera shy and you are looking for ways to make money through it, then the video that just popped up next to me will show you exactly how it is done. Ensure you check it out. In whatever you do, never stop making money.